Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to find the apps on Samsung TV. So you're on the home page, then go scroll and go to the apps. This is the apps, select here, and then you'll be able to see all the apps. And these are the recommended apps, and these are the provided by Samsung, and these are editors, and these are the ones that you have downloaded. Okay, there are other apps here you can see, like this the popular ones based on categories too, gaming and popular ones. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see like these are like grouped by content, like music, news, weather, apps, and etc. And then on the bottom you have these app settings. You can click here to see all the apps that you have installed on your Samsung TV and your like storage and other stuff. And if you want to add one of them to the, like, let's say like this one, you can click and add to the home, and you can see like what size they are by going to the view details. So sorry, I mean like you can just come here and see the details of the apps. And if you want to delete any of them, you can just like click delete, and it will delete it from here too. Okay, so this is how you find the apps that you have installed on your Samsung TV. And by going to the app section, you can also see like the popular apps. However, if you want to find one specific one, you have to go search for it. There is a search button on the top left corner. You just have to go over there. So we have clicked on that search button, and now we have the ability to like find the apps that you want. This is actually a media hub, so you can also see the apps, movies, TV shows. So let's say like we want to find Netflix. So we're going to type in ET. Okay, and we'll hit back. You'll see like Netflix is here. So since you have already installed it, it will just open. But for other apps, you have the option to find and install it from here. So this is how you find the apps on your Samsung TV. And you can also, like I showed you like how to install and remove the add them to the menu too. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.